Welcome to 8th grade science with your teacher, Catherine Calderon. Ever wonder what's up with this pandemic? Am I really drinking dinosaur pee? What things are made of or what it is all about? Are you curious? If you're anything like me, you want to know about the world around you. Together, we will find the answers to questions like these and many more. This year, we will delve deeper into understanding about different forms of energy and where it comes from. What happens during chemical reactions? All about the water present on Earth, the history of Earth, diseases and how to prevent their spread, health, nutrition, and our bodies, ecosystems, and evolution over time. I have always had a passion for science and nature growing up. I went to college at Virginia Tech, where I focused my energies on learning about the earth sciences. Specifically, I learned about geology, the study of rocks, and horticulture, the study of plants. 15 years I worked in the nursery industry growing plants for companies like Lowe's, Home Depot, and local landscapers. Plants never stopped growing, so that job was a 28-hour-a-day, 8-day-a-week job. After I got married and had kids, I needed to do a career change. So I went back to school at the University of North Carolina, where I got my certificate for teaching for middle school science. I did my student teaching here at Monroe Middle, fell in love with the school, the community, and the students. Luckily, they were looking for an 8th grade teacher, and I took the position. I've been with Monroe Middle now for 3 years, and I'm excited to embark on this journey with you guys. I know learning will be different this year, but I will go out of my way to find a way to make science fun and engaging. Science is all about exploring and learning through doing. So even though it'll be done virtually, this will be what I expect from all of my young scientists. I can't wait to meet you. Bueno, soy la señora Calderon. Me tengo 3 años trabajando aquí con Monroe Middle, enseñando el grado de ciencias de grado 8. Tengo 15 años trabajando en nurserías, creciendo plantas, y allá es donde me aprendí mi español. Estoy aquí para cualquier cosa. Me diga si necesita ayuda. Avíseme, háblame, contacta conmigo. Estoy aquí para los padres y para los estudiantes. Yo sé que puede estar muy difícil trabajando y educando en un idioma que no es su primera, pero juntos podemos hacer. Logramos mucha educación y mucho crecimiento de los vocabularios. Bienvenido y me da gusto conocer a ustedes pronto. Adiós.